So how do you flow forever? How do you just keep rhyming and rhyming and rhyming? How do freestyle rappers do things like rhyme for 1 hour straight, 10 hours straight? How are they doing this? Well, there's a great quote that I think really relates to this, and I'm just going to bring it up now. And it's from E.L. Doctorow. So E.L. Doctorow was talking about writing a novel, okay? And the quote is, writing a novel is like driving a car at night. You can see only as far as your headlights, but you can make the whole trip that way, okay? It's like driving a car at night. You can see only as far as your headlights, but you can make the whole trip that way. And I think that really relates to freestyling. You only need to be able to see as far as your next rhyme, okay? So let's say you're rhyming the word spiritual. You only need to get to the next rhyme. It might be lyrical, okay? You only need to see that far. Then the next rhyme comes up, which might be rare. And you only need to see as far as the word flare or chair, whatever words you're choosing to rhyme. Then the next word comes up. So all you're essentially doing, or one way of essentially keeping your freestyle going forever is being able just to get to the next line, not trying to think 3, 4, 5 lines ahead, just getting to the next line. And I was watching an interview with Harry Mack, and he talked about this in his own technique. He said he doesn't think, multiple moves ahead. He's just thinking of the next line. So if you want to keep that flow going forever, just think about that. It's like driving your car at night. You only need to see as far as your headlights, but you can make it the whole way home. Don't start thinking about, how am I going to build this in 10 lines, 12 lines time, because then you're going to be losing that flow. You're going to be missing the next rhyme. Okay, so take it one rhyme at a time if you're trying to build that kind of flowing forever type feel. Now, obviously, trying to think ahead 2 or 3 lines ahead is much more sophisticated. Trying to actually build up to some kind of punchline that might be 8 lines ahead. And this is something that stand-up comedians do in their acts, but they've rehearsed this, they've written this, they've scripted it, so they can see it building up. To be able to do that spontaneously, it's going to take some incredible improvisational ability, okay? And you're going to be kind of one in a million type of freestyle rapper. But perhaps it's something you want to try to look into, to pursue. But for now, building that fundamental, take it one rhyme at a time.